What's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitchfix unboxing for you guys. If you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is a clothing subscription service where you get purses, you get clothes, you get shoes, you get scarves, you get jewelry. So go click on my link below. You'll get $25 towards your first fix. And I love it. I get all kinds of stuff from them. This sweater I have is from them and I absolutely love it. I don't have to go out of my house and get clothing or shop or anything like that. So if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe, and let's get on to the video. Okay, so in the box, you'll receive your bundle, and it looks like I have two things that are jean, something that is mustard, and a top or something that's blue and white, and it looks like there's something black in there as well. And then you'll also get your return bag that you can return anything that you do not want. And then in this envelope, you receive your style card and a note from your stylist, as well as your price sheet. And the price sheet will go over at the end. So let's get into the box. Okay, so the first item here, it looks like a top, 3/4 length sleeve, high-low, and it looks like it crosses in the front. And it is by West Key. It is super cute, and it looks like it has buttons on the side. It's really lightweight, and is the West Key Allen Surplice roll tab top in blue, size extra small. I will have pictures after I try the item on the screen so you guys can see what they are, and if you like them, you can actually ask your stylist to send them to you. So here is the first item. It is really adorable. I do like it a lot. All right, so next we have here is a black top, and it's another cross front top, but at the bottom it has a tie and it also has a band. So that is different. This material feels silky. This is by Fortune and Ivy, and it is the Deneen faux wrap blouse in black, size extra small. Here it is. Very nice. Do you like this? Next we have is a cardigan, which was the mustard color that we saw in the bundle. And it is, here it is. Hold on one second. Dog's trying to get in. Next we have here. So here is the cardigan. It is this material, and it is a super pretty cardigan. I don't know if I can get the whole thing in the picture. It's not a flat front. It does have like little flaps that go over the side. There's no pockets, and this is a Stitch Fix exclusive, and it's by Pink Clover, and it is the Kea textured curve cardigan in mustard, size extra small. Right. Next we have here is a jean skirt. This is really nice too. I like this a lot. This is just black Jenny mini denim skirt in blue, size extra small. There's no distressing on this, which I do like. And there is the front and the back. Well, that's cute. And it's made in the USA, size extra small. Very nice. Last but not least, we have a pair of studio blue distressed jeans, and these are really nice. I do like these. There is no distressing on the back, but there is distressing on the front, and they're super stretchy. And these are the studio blue Ernestine skinny distressed jean in size 0. So all right, so what I'm gonna do is try everything on for you guys, come back, give you prices, and let you guys know what I decided to keep. So stay tuned. Okay, the first item we have here is the cardigan. I do like this a lot. I love mustard, and I just paired it with a white top underneath. And it does have like the little flaps over, but it is super cute. And I do like this a lot. So let me know what you guys think. Here is the material. It is soft and cozy. This would be super cute with that denim skirt. So I'm going to try it on definitely with that denim skirt and see what it looks like. But I do have it paired with the jeans, so we're going to go there next. Next we have the jeans. These are really comfortable. They fit really nice. I do like the distressing, and they are comfortable. They're just a little bit big in the waist, but they might shrink. I do like the distressing on them. And let me know what you guys think about these. They are really comfortable. I do like studio blue. Let me know what you think. Okay, so next we have is this top. It is really cute. I like how it is stitched right here, so you don't have to worry about it buttoning, and it fits really nice. I do like the sleeves, and it's very lightweight for spring. I do like the color, and it looks really nice on, I might say, and I like the high-low fitting, and it looks really pretty. Okay, so next we have is the skirt. It is really nice. I kind of prefer distressing on my skirts, so I'm gonna let her know. But I do like the idea of this, and I think this is really nice, and it fits awesome. Just a little bit big back here, but I think overall it fits really nice. And yeah, but I do like this a lot. Okay, last but not least is this black top. I think this is really cute. It fits really nice, and it goes well with the skirt. It would probably go well with those jeans as well. There's a little tie on the side, and there is a button right here. I think that's awesome, and it fits really nice. I like the band here, so this is adorable. So let's see what the pricing is, and I'm gonna go and we can talk about prices, go over everything, and let you guys know what I decided to keep. So just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm back. Let's go over prices and I'll let you guys know what I decided to keep. So the denim skirt, it was super cute, but like I said, I prefer distressing. If you don't prefer distressing, this is a great skirt. It's very stretchy and I absolutely love this. And this is by Just Black and it is $58. So that's not a bad price for a skirt. So if you're looking for a denim skirt, I would say this is it. Next, Fortune and Ivy. I really like this top a lot. It was really cute on. I did like the band at the bottom, which I never thought I would. But this here is $38. That's not a bad price for this item. And I did, like I said, like it a lot. Last but not least, sorry, I have two other items. So one of the items, the pink clover mustard cardigan, that was $44. I thought this was really nice, and I love mustard. It's one of my favorite colors. So these studio blue jeans, I love these a lot. I think I'm going to be keeping these. They're super comfortable and I would wear them a lot, so I'm really thinking about keeping these. They were $58. Last but not least is the West Key top, and this was $42, which isn't bad. It looked really nice with a couple items on, and I did like it a lot. So the total for my box was $240, buy all 5 discount, $60. Total was $180. It's really not bad for all that stuff, but I probably will be keeping the jeans. I will let you guys know in the comments. So if you like Stitch Fix, click on my link below, you get $25. If you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching and subscribe to my channel. And my name is Kristen. I do makeup reviews, vlogs, a lot of Stitch Fix unboxings, other item unboxings. If you'd like to see anything else, please let me know. I do have a Madison and Mallory video coming soon. I've been kind of delayed due to having to work from home and the virus that's going around. So if you like these kind of videos, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.